Here's another interesting issue. On the x-axis, I have 0 set for backlash distance, and this is all in inches. And when I go over to the CNC's x-axis, which is the gantry axis, watch this closely. As I move the motor, it wants to come back a tad bit, no matter which direction I go in. Let me make the camera more steady. As you can see, it's slowly creeping towards the limit switch, which is right here. I will try to move it towards the limit switch, and at that point, it creeps in the opposite direction. So the direction that I try to jog it in, and once it stops, it tries to creep in the opposite direction. Really interesting.